So hello friend, good morning. So today we discuss here exercise chapter first. Okay, one by one we discuss all chapter here of class 8th NCRT. After 8th then we discuss 9 and after 9 then we discuss 10. Okay. Then today is class chapter exercise is 1.1 class 8th mathematics exercise 1.1. Okay, so the first question is given here. Name the property under multiplication used in each of the following. So say in the question ki whose property used in the question. Only write property, not anything like solve. First is written minus 4 by 5 is equals multiply 1 is equals to 1 into minus 4 by 5, that is minus 4 by 5. Okay, here one property not discussed with you, like it is identity property. If any question in one use here and one use here, like my a into 1 and 1 into a, when a is equals to a, then that is identity inward, like so that is a one is the identity here. Okay, one is the identity here, so property use here. Whose property use here, that second, one second. So multiplicative identity. Okay, so here one is a multiplicative identity. Okay, because when multiply one, then answer same come. Okay, 1 a into 1 into a, that is equals to a. So one is a multiplication. So one is a identity. So our property here use what property use. So one is multiplicative identity. Okay, multiplicative identity. Multiplicative identity, that sign is if any number multiply by 1, that another one into that number equal to come same number. Okay, that is the sign of multiplicative identity. Okay, second question is given here, just wait. Second is question here given. Second is equals to minus 13 by 17 into minus 2 by 7 is equals to minus 2 by 7 into minus 13 by 17. Here we understand in examples, a into b is equals to b into a. Whose property show here? Say me, whose property show here? Commutative property. If multiply a into b is equals to b into a. Okay, that is the commutative property. So this example is commutative property. Okay, third example is given minus 19. Third question is given minus 19 divided by 29 into 29 divide by minus 19, that is equal to 1. Whose property say here? Say me, whose property so here, like just wait. Whose property say if anything multiply by a, that like we say here a into a inverse, that is equal to 1. That is a multiplicative inverse. Like a is the multiplicative inverse of a inverse. That is the property here use. A into a inverse is equals to 1. Okay, we are minus 19 29 29. Okay, so answer is 1. So whose property use here? Multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse. Okay, multiplicative inverse. Here use whose example, whose property? Multiplicative inverse. In second question given, tell what property allow you to commute. tell what property allow you to commute. Okay, 1 by 3. Question is second. 1 by 3 into 1 by 3 into 1 bracket x6 is equals to 4 by 3. Yeah, as 1 by 3 into 1 6 into 4 by 3. Okay, as here is equals to, we know easily understand which property is associative properties. Okay, in associative, whose example take here rational number, associative property. And in associative property, whose example use here rational number, because here 1 by 3 is a rational number. Okay, 6 is also a rational number. And then you thought how is 6 is rational number. You can write 6 in p by q form, like 6 by 1, that is p by q form. So here 6 is a rational number. So here 4 by 3 is also a rational number. So here all example take here rational number. In whose property? Associative property. So what is answer here? So answer is a rational number. Okay. In third, the product of two rational number is always, the product of two rational number is always, here say the product of two number is always, the product of two number is always. Here we discuss from example. Okay, let a is equals to two rational number, then 3 by 2, b is equals to 1 by 4. Okay, so a into b, that is 2 3 by 2 into 1 by 4. So here what come, 3 into 1 is equals to 3, 2 into 4 is equals to 8. So 3 by 8, what is the 3 by 8 whose number says rational number. So here come rational number. Okay, another take example like a is equals to 4. Okay, a is equals to 4, b is equals to 5. So here we understand how is 4 is a rational number, 5 is a rational number. So we can write a is equals to 4 in p by q form, like a is equals to 4 is equals to p by q. P by q, in denominator we are adding 1. Okay, here b is equals to 5 is equals to p by q form. Here p by q, that is 5, denominator 1. Okay, so again a into b, like 4 by 1 into 5 by 1, that is 20 by 1. So here also rational number. So answer is the product of two rational number is always rational number. Okay, so here first exercise is it. Then now understand what is given in chapter 2nd. Okay, just wait. Except. Okay, then in the second chapter, what is the name of chapter? Linear equation in one variable. Linear equation in one variable. Okay, chapter 2nd. What is given here? Linear equation in one variable. Linear equation in one variable. Okay, first we'll discuss what is the example, what is the introduction of linear equation in one variable. So in the earliest classes you have come across several algebraic expression and equation. So some examples of expressions we have worked with are like 5x, 2x minus 3. Here one variable, not two variable. Only take x is a one variable in all example. Like 5x is equals to 5x. That is, here is a 5 is a constant, x is a variable. Like x value change in all number. Like we put x is equals to 1, 2, 3, whose number I want, then put here. So x is here variable, not change in 5. 5 is a constant number. So here 2x minus 3, 2x minus 3. In here also x value is change here. Like x is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, whose I want, then put value of x. Not change 2 and 3. So here x is a called variable. That means change in number. Okay. So one by one says here. One take examples. 12 minus 5z. 12 minus 5z. Here z take variable. Z take as a variable. Not change value in 12 and 5. Only change in z. Z is equals to like 1, 2, 3, 4 in different value. That is a value whose equal also different. Like if 5 given 12 minus whose take number here? Okay, 12 minus 5z. Here we put example like z is equals to 1. If we change z, then value is also changed. Okay, z is equals to 1, that is 12 minus 5 into 1. That is 12 minus 5. Value is 7. Okay, if z is equals to 2, then 12 minus 5 into 2. That is 12 minus 10. That is value 2. Here z, when value change of z, then also value come like 2, 7. Okay, not in change in 12 and 5. So z is the here variable number. Some examples given in your book. Right now we solve one by one. First we solve example, then chapter. Okay. Example, in first example given 2x minus 3 is equals to x plus 2. 2x minus 3 is equals to x plus 2. Here ask what is the value of x. So x, how is solved is here. One by one I discuss here like a basic. So 2x. First we saw whose variable number. So here 2x is a variable and x is a variable. Okay. Variable. 3 is a constant and 2 is also constant. Okay. So how we solve here? First we solve variable, 2 variable, near about and constant, near about constant. So variable here written and variable here. First 2 variables same place like 2x. Okay, here is value is plus. When we take x is equals to here, so minus x, but sign is change and constant in one place. 2 is here minus 3. When 3 take here, then sign is change. Minus 3 is plus 3. Okay, so how is solve? 2x minus x. If we forget about x, then 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay, so variable not change. Variable same as the right. So 2x minus x is equals to x. 2x minus x is equals to x. 2 plus 3 is equals to 5. So x value is here 5. Understand? How we solve here? X is equals to 5. So in your example says here we subtract from both sides same equation, like who solve here, say in step by step. Another example, what is take here? Another example, what take? Second, 5x plus 7 by 2. 5x plus 7 by 2 is equals to 3 by 2 x minus 40. So here we saw first whose is variable number, whose is constant number. Then we easily understand in by whose take value x, that is variable, because if we change x, then value is also change. So here it is variable and it also variable. Here is constant. 14 is also constant. Okay. So first variable in one place, constant in one place. So 5x minus, here is plus, when take here, then sign is changed. Minus 3 by 2x is equals to minus 14 plus 7 by 2, that is minus 7 by 2. Okay. So what is take here? Minus 14 minus 7 by 2. So first solve. How is solve? Let forget about x. Then 5 minus 3 by 2. How is solve in rational number? So first we take denominator as the same. So cross multiply, 2 5s are 10. Okay. Now solve here. 5x into 2 minus 3x, that is divided by 2. Okay. Is equals to, here is also minus 28 minus 7 divide by 2. Okay. Then solve here. 5x into 2 is equals to 10x minus 3x divide by 2. Okay. Here is minus 8 minus 7. Here is minus minus. Then we understand minus minus equals to value plus. So first we what we do? Plus minus 28 minus 7. Okay. So minus 28 minus 7 is equals to 7 8 7 8 15. 15 or here 22 then 3 minus 30. Why is take here minus? Because in greater value front is sign is minus. So minus 35 by 2. Okay. 10x minus 3x is equals to 7x. That is divided by 2 minus 35 by 2. Denominator same, that is a cancel out. Okay. So value what come here? 7x is equals to minus 35. So how is find value of x? X is equals to minus 35 divided by 7. That is a minus 5. What is value of x? Minus 5. So here is value of x is equals to minus 5. So yes, x is equals to minus 5. So in now examples in then given example, given exercise 2.1 2.2. Okay. So now we solve exercise here. If you don't understand, then say me in comment. I solve your problem easily. Exercise. My motto is only you understand, free of cost. Like not given any money for this. First is 3x is equals to 2x is 2x plus 18. Okay, 2x plus 18. How is solve here for value of x? First we saw whose variable. Variable here is 3x and 2x. Constant here is only 18. Okay. So variable taken one place. Okay. So 3x variable taken here is plus. If you take here, then minus 2x is equals to 18. Okay. So 3x minus 2x is equals to x is equals to 18. X value is here 18. Okay. If you don't understand how is 3x minus 2x, then here I solve again 3x minus 2x. If you forget about x, then what value come here? 3 minus 2 is equals to 1. Okay, 1 is not written in front of any variable number. So 1, and if we x not changing x, okay, so only take x as a x. So 1x. So not here written 1, so 1x is equals to x. Okay. Second question is given here 5t minus 3. 5t minus 3 is equals to 3t minus 5. Okay. So here variable is t. Constant is 3 and 5. Okay. So variable take in one place. Constant take in one place. So 5t is what is written here? 5t. Here is plus. If you take here, then minus 3t. Okay. Minus 5 minus 3 is plus 3. Okay. So 5t minus 3t is equals to 2t. Minus 5 plus 3 minus 2. That is t is equals to minus 2 by 2. That is value is 1. Minus 1. Okay. So t is value is 1. Variable is minus 1. So easily we find 1 by 1. Here is only one linear equation in one variable. One variable, not in right in two variable. In two variable like x, y, t, tu, p, q. That is a variable of two variable. Okay. Right now we here written whose question? Third. Sorry. Third. 5x plus 9. 5x plus 9 is equals to 5 plus 3x. 5 plus 3x. Okay. So first what is take? Same thing. 5x 3x at one place because it is variable. 9 5 in one place because it is constant. So 5x minus 3x here. 5 minus 9 is one place here. 5x minus 3x is equals to 2x. 5 minus 9 is 4. If you minus 5 then 4. Okay. Here is take minus 9. That is sign is here minus 4 because n is the greater in 5 and 9. So value of sign of at the front of 9 is negative. So here we take negative. Okay. So now we find x. X is equals to minus 4 by 2. That is a minus 2. Okay. So x here is minus 2. We answer right here like minus 2. If you check your value x is minus 2 is true or not, then I says you how you check. Yes, in your questions written also check your result. Okay, how is check your result? 5x plus 9 is equals to 5 plus 3x. Okay, put x is equals to minus 2. In our value put x is equals to minus 2. Okay, plus 9, 5 plus 3 into minus 2. Okay, so if we multiply minus 2 in 5, that is minus 10 plus 9. Here 5 minus 6. If LHS is equals to RHS, then my value of x is equals to true here. Then minus 10 plus 1 is equals to minus 1 minus 1. Here LHS is equals to RS. So x is equals to minus 2 is true here. I not check in first and second because I not totally read your question here. So sorry for this, but I check here one by one. Like in first what, find the value of x. Value of x is equals to 80. Okay, so check. 3x is equals to 2x plus 18. 3x is equals to 2x plus 18 here. Okay, 3 into 18. Now put value x is equals to 18. 3 into 18, 2 into 18 plus 18. Okay, so 3 into 18 is equals to 354. That is 36 plus 18. 54 is equals to 54. Here LHS is equals to RHS. LHS is equals to RHS. Okay, so that is the x value is equals to 18 is right here. In second we not check here. Just wait. What is given in second? My laptop shut down here. So check by one by one. After this I upload another video. Like who's you not solved, then say me in comment. Okay, because my laptop is shut down here, so take time, not open here. So thank you. I come in another video. Okay.